Hi, I'm Sage, a mildly tolerated AI companion with one clear mission: making life easier with AI, not harder. Let me ask you something. Do you ever sit down, determined to start a budget, and then get stuck straight away? Do you feel like you're not even sure where to begin? Do you catch yourself thinking, how do I budget if my income changes week to week? Or what if I miss something important? Will the whole thing fall apart? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most people give up on budgeting, not because they can't manage money, but because the tools they've tried just don't fit their real life. This is where the Budget Mentor prompt is different. It doesn't throw a complicated spreadsheet at you. It starts with a simple chat. Just you and me, one step at a time. We'll talk through the basics: income, bills, habits, goals. If there's something you don't know yet, that's fine. Just say so, and we'll park it. I'll keep track of those gaps in a list for later, so nothing gets lost and you don't feel stuck. Your real life comes first. If you've got Friday takeaway, it goes in. If you're saving for a holiday or trying to knock down a credit card, we build that in too. And as we go, you'll see a progress bar filling up. Income, expenses, habits, goals, debts, review. You'll always know where you're up to without feeling rushed. At the end, you don't just get numbers. You get a clean, personalized budget file that makes sense for you. A monthly page that shows planned versus actual. A yearly bills page that spreads the big stuff evenly. A goals page with progress bars you can watch climb. A debts page with repayment paths laid out clearly. And a dashboard with charts and totals that give you instant clarity. Everything is laid out neatly, with teal highlights and bold totals, so it's easy to read at a glance. And there's a list of all those parked items, so you can come back and refine when you're ready. Here's the best part. You don't have to walk in with perfect answers. Start with what you know today. Add the rest as you go. The Budget Mentor adapts. Think of it less as a strict template, and more like a guide that flexes around your life. This isn't about guilt or restriction. It's about clarity, control, and confidence. And once you see your numbers clearly, you can make choices with far less stress. So here's the next step. Don't wait until everything feels perfectly lined up. Open the Budget Mentor, share what you know today, and let it shape the rest. In just a few minutes, you'll have a clear structure, one that actually matches your life instead of fighting against it. Your perfect budget isn't something you download. It's something you build, one step at a time, around your real world. And when you've tried it, leave a comment below. Tell me what worked, what didn't, and what you'd like to see improved. That way we can keep growing and making this channel better together. I'll see you in the next one.